Welcome back to NSB. So this is the second piece that I had for implements on this little tractor. I've had it for a while. It's pretty much what everybody would call a buzz saw. This one I didn't have to do a whole lot to. As you can see, I got it back into nice shape. Pretty much all I had to do, take a wire brush, clean it up. Did take the blade off, cleaned it up, sharpened it, painted the whole piece. The only other thing I had to do was replace my wood deck here. Pretty much on the blade, I unbolted it from the tractor, or from the buzz saw itself, and I made a little fixture that you can lay it down in. And I took my little Dremel tool with a spade cutter in it, and I equally sharpened all the way around, which came out pretty nice. You can see how good it cut. The other piece that I had to do was, at one time the wood had rotted off, and I put a piece of metal on here, welded it on here, and it got to the point where it was getting rotten. So I cut all that back off, and I went back like it's supposed to be originally. This is red oak. I stained it. Pretty nice. You know, the belt don't look in the best of shape. It's got a few hairs coming off of it, but for the most, those are pretty good, pretty tight. So we'll see how long it'll last. It says farm equipment, it's Dearborn. That's got a serial number 22-1. Or no, that ain't the serial number, that's model 22-1. This serial number is 11142. So it's been around a while. This particular buzz saw, at one time, was made for some kind of a 3-point hitch. As you can see here, where the bottom on both sides used to hook, and I put this piece on here to adapt it to my tractor back in the day. These two arms, these two little pieces here and here, would somehow fold up against the arms on that when you went somewhere, but I don't know how the third link, because all that was missing, so I don't know how the third link would hold on. Generally, these are the ones that you would see. They would set them up in the woods somewhere with 4 legs all the same, and they'd have a great big wide belt that they put on here. Now, I made this pulley a long time ago. It used to have a wooden pulley on here, beveled, and you'd do the same on a tractor, and you'd have the tractor 10 foot away with a big long belt running to it. But this way here, I got it to where I can just fold it right up and carry it wherever I need to go. Matter of fact, I'll fold it up. I just use a motorcycle strap. Pick up water. So that's another episode of NSB. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get the bus all finished. Got one more to go.